what really set Oxy apart was its community. I did an interview here and my interviewer was so excited and so passionate about Oxy. He really wanted me to get to know Oxy just as much as he got to know me, and I just really remember walking out and thinking, if half the people at Oxy are half as excited and passionate as he is, then I'm definitely going to find my place here.
It seemed like everyone knew each other and was really happy to be here. Like on my tour, everyone was saying hi, and I really liked that sense of community, and so I wanted to go to Oxy. I really just wanted to go to a place where it seemed like everyone knew and cared about each other.
I feel like a lot of teams on campus, like whether that be like club sports or like track or like varsity sports, like all feel like a sense of community with their team.
The environment walking on campus felt different from a lot of schools. It really more collaborative than competitive, and I just really wanted the experience of living somewhere where I felt like it could be my new home.
Oxy really chooses students that deserve to be here, so if you're coming in, you really have earned this spot, and honestly it's an honor and a privilege to be at Oxy. Just keep working, like you deserve to be here and you're gonna graduate, and it's gonna be great.